Alright guys, so welcome to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 water test in real life. This is really a step forward for foldable devices. If foldable is the future, then durability in all senses have to be guaranteed. Samsung believes foldable smartphone is the future, and while other tech brands are still struggling to make straight phones water resistant, Samsung however is already far ahead when it comes to making smartphones to be water resistant. In short, they have even advanced to the extent of making foldable devices water resistant. This year's Galaxy Z Flip 3 is a proof of that. It is IPX8 water resistant, which means it can conveniently stay up to 30 minutes under the water for up to 30 minutes. This is the first of its kind in the industry. So Samsung has set the bar higher for other tech brands to compete with. So the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is water resistant, but it is not dust resistant. So when you are around the beach, in short, don't even allow any tiny particles to penetrate through the hinges of the foldable device. Now, this being water resistant is a big deal. It gives you this confidence of buying a foldable smartphone that is $999 price range. So for a foldable device to be water resistant, it means all the foldable devices, the hinges, are all protected by features that prevent it from liquid damage. That is a big deal in the industry, and I hope with subsequent foldable devices, Samsung will be able to make it to be both dust and water resistant. Now, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is bigger than this and more expensive than the Z Flip 3, is also water resistant this year. I already made a video of that, and I will link it somewhere up here. Just check one of the link here, and then so you can watch it. Now, Samsung is really trying to make this foldable device to be a thing, because other competitors in the industry like the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold and Huawei, they don't have any foldable smartphone. What they have is foldable device in form of tablet phone. But for a smartphone in a clamshell form to be water resistant, Samsung has done it this year, and we hope others in the industry will tap into the anointing and also make foldable smartphones to be water resistant. It's really an upgrade in the industry. I would love to see more of this kind in the industry. But let me know your opinion in the comment section, what you think about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 being water resistant. Alright, remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post bell, and hit the subscribe button for more subsequent videos. Also, I hope to drop the review of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Galaxy Z Fold 3 in the coming weeks, so don't miss out on them.